What's going on, people? Barber CVO in the building. We're getting ready to go on a weekend to the barbershop. Make sure if you're from the area, the Barber Post is my new barbershop that I own here in Pooler, Georgia. So make sure if you want to stop by, get a haircut, swing by. We're there from 9 o'clock in the morning till about 6:30 in the afternoon or evening, whatever. So stop by. We're open 6 days a week, and come check me out. I'm usually there on Thursdays, definitely Fridays and Saturdays. All right, so this is the whip right here. 2019 Street Light CVO. If you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe, hit that like button so you guys could get any messages or any notifications I put every time. All right, and also the bell button, and make sure you subscribe because a lot of you is not subscribed still. I'm still checking out to see who's subscribed, who's not, who's watching, who's not. All right, so beautiful weather here today. Little on the morning side, pretty decent weather, so just put a light little jacket in, and I always like to ride with a vest. So here we go. I'm gonna have the GoPro 360 here as well. I actually put a little tape here, 3M tape, on the microphone area on both sides, just to get rid of the wind noise. But I know they do sell it on Amazon. It's like the little feathery thing that they have it for GoPros, for you could get less wind noise. All right, so here we go. All right, so we're about to do a cold start. Cold start, baby. Let's go. if you guys are in the area, Savannah, tomorrow, guys, we got here to the barbershop. Like I said, quick little ride, quick little video just for you guys could watch what's going on. There's the barbershop, the barber post. It's make sure you come by, check it out if you're in the area. All right, till next time, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, comment below, let me know what you think about the video. All right, see you on the next one. Peace.